Situated on top of a rocky ledge with charred cedar and large windows that overlook the hilly landscape, Ledge House is a new modern house replaces an old cottage and is positioned on a challenging site that's located in Cornwall, Connecticut. The form of the house was inspired by barns of the area as well as the nearby historic West Cornwall Covered Bridge. The exterior of the house is clad in sugi band siding, which offers a rot-resistant and bug-resistant finish. Upon arrival at the house, there's a rock garden that connects the house with the forest. Inside, the living room, dining room, and kitchen form a great room, with glass walls and sliding doors located on each side of the space. A see-through fireplace and concrete surround separates the living room from the dining room and kitchen. The white walls complement the white minimalist cabinets of the kitchen and the long island, while black accents create a contrasting element. Off the living room, dining room, and kitchen, there's a large deck with multiple levels that provide an uninterrupted view of the trees and landscape. The minimalist master bedroom has plain white walls, a sloped ceiling, and black-framed windows. The wood bed frame, side tables, and armchair bring a touch of nature inside. In the master bathroom, there's a wood-soaking tub and hidden lighting behind the mirror above the double-sink floating vanity. There's a shower that's covered in floor-to-ceiling gray penny tiles with shower niche for storing bottles and soaps, and a linear shower drain. A guest bedroom that's been furnished with 2 beds, a chair, a rug, and a single pendant light. In a second bathroom, the gray penny tiles cover the walls and floor with a glass shower screen separates the shower from the vanity area. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.